Umair is telling us that this is one of the most dangerous hikes, and I'm kind of afraid. This is the story of how I hiked the world's largest blue flame volcano located in East Java, Indonesia, which also houses the most acidic lake in the world. And I didn't want to go alone, so I asked some friends if they wanted to spontaneously join me. And thankfully, they said yes. So this is my friend Umair.
The chance that you will die today is greater than zero. I've written my wills.
And this is my nomad friend Andrew.
Sometimes you gotta face death in the face.
Now, you might be wondering, why would we ever want to attempt to hike such a dangerous volcano? Well, you could say we were craving a bit of an adventure. Now, I'm from Los Angeles, and we don't particularly have access to crazy volcanoes or adventures like these. More like a bunch of cars and driving, at least where I live. So I figured I wanted to research what was one of the most epic adventures I could find while in Indonesia. And more importantly, challenge myself by doing something I've never done before. So this is a story of how it went. I was a little scared at first, but after some nervous laughter to shake off the feelings of uncertainty, I'm gonna have a heart attack. This isn't helping. I let the day unfold.
It's my new 2022 fashion statement.
This is the part where it gets a little dangerous, guys. All of these rocks. The center of the world. We found it. Hello! So today my friends and I are going to be exploring the world's largest blue volcanic flames here in Indonesia. It's called Kawah Ijen, and it's actually located in East Java, so we're going to have to take a car from here in Bali over to the port Gilimanuk, which is about 4 hours. And we're going to take a little water taxi from there to East Java, and then our tour starts right around 12:30 a.m. on Monday, and today is Sunday, so we're taking the journey throughout the day, but it's about 3:30 p.m. right now. Have not eaten, so I'm gonna get some food in my system. So without further ado, let's go get some food. Okay, so first, let me just tell you a bit of the vibes of Bali. If you've never been, honestly, it's such a unique place. It just feels so freeing and stress-free. And I mean, I guess that's island life for you, but it's this overall feeling of living life in the moment and prioritizing taking care of yourself. Pretty good. Overall, refreshing. I think it's exactly what I needed. I'm gonna go ahead and finish this, and then I'm gonna head back to my villa. Hopefully I have enough time because I need to get all my stuff together before we go on this volcano tour. So taking a moment to chill and treat myself to a nice healthy meal before going on this more stressful volcano hiking adventure was an absolute necessity to calm some nerves to prepare for the night ahead. All right, everyone, we are back at the room. It's about 6:10 right now. Andrew's gonna be here in like 10, 20 or so minutes, so let's get all of our stuff together. Andrew is here.
I'm here.
How are you feeling? Are you excited?
I'm feeling good and ready to go. I want to see this blue volcano.
Right now we're gonna head to dinner. We're gonna meet Umair, our other friend. The restaurant's called Soka. That's about an hour and 20-minute ride. We're gonna get there around 8:20 now at this point.
Let's go.
Let's go. Thank you so much. Hello.
Nice seeing you.
Hello, Umair. How's it going? All right, guys, we just got here to the restaurant, and Umair is telling us that this is one of the most dangerous hikes, and I'm kind of afraid. Can you describe the danger of this hike that we're about to do?
Let's just say there is a non-zero chance of death.
What do you mean?
The chance that you will die today is greater than zero. I've written my wills, and I suggest you write your wills as well.
Oh my goodness.
Sometimes you gotta face death in the face.
Umair is nervous, I am nervous, and he is nervous. Hey everyone, so we just finished our very late dinner. It's like 9 p.m. I just drank some coffee. I'm ready to go. I'm kind of nervous, but the guy that's gonna be directing us on this trek, he said it's okay. You just gotta be careful. You know, safety first, everyone. What's your name?
Jafar. Yes.
Jafar, okay.
How are you?
Good, man. And
Nice to meet you, brother.
Good.
Safety first.
Safety first.
Safety is number one.
Okay, thank you.
We're gonna have very fast. Local Audi.
yeah, Audi, let's go.
My dream car, Audi.
You're driving this like a Ferrari, Lamborghini. Can tell you like safety.
Where there is a will, there is a way.
Yes, 100%.
Experience is the best teacher.
Yes, experience.
I'm kind of scared with this driving.
Audi.
have like such a crazy driver.
This is the best, fastest driver in all Bali.
The best, fastest driver.
Yeah, you drive it.
Oh my god, I'm gonna have a heart attack. This isn't helping my nervousness for this hike. I'm now even more on edge in the car.
This is the most aggressive passing I've ever seen, like, ever, like anywhere in the world. Like,
Yeah,
insane.
I'm not calm.
Honesty is the best policy.
Honestly.
Yes.
Easy come, easy go.
Yes.
That's all my English.
Let's go.
Are you feel good, miss?
Oh yeah, much better. I survived.
Experience is the best teacher.
Experience is the best teacher. Thanks you. You guys, wow, I was on edge that entire car ride. I'm so glad we survived. We made it out. I will say, even though I was on edge, he knows what he's doing, so I wasn't worried that things would go wrong. But I was on edge.
We came really close to some of those cars. We came like really close.
Very close. We have to now get tickets to the ferry.
I think why we're here.
Oh hey, that's where we're going. Alright guys, it's about 11:30 now. We made it onto the boat. I think it's about like a half hour to an hour boat ride. We are going to explore the boat just a bit.
This is the kitchen. Quality meals. This is the main section right here.
Oh,
Come on in section. Cool section. We can actually go upstairs.
okay, let's explore it. Lead the way. Umair's our boat tour guide now.
The smoking section.
Ah,
So
yes.
If you are so inclined, you can play poker, and that's the boat.
Oh wow.
And after we had our fun exploring the boat, this was probably actually one of my favorite moments that I remember, just staring out at the ocean. I know it kind of seems a little bit cliche, but as I was just looking into the water, I just felt so small compared to this vast world that we live in, and I just felt so grateful to be able to even be doing crazy adventures like these with the great people.
We're here. We have made it on the next floor finally.
We're the only ones walking like this. We're the only foreigners here. Isn't that amazing?
Crazy. Hello, you're our guide. Okay. Good hike. Good hike. Alright guys, we have just made our stop. It's about 1 a.m. now. We're getting some coffee. Around 2 a.m. is when we're going to start walking. And we have our masks that we're trying on, our goggles. Umair is very fashionable now. Wow, look at him.
Yeah, this is my new 2022 fashion statement.
We got our coffee here. Cheers.
Cheers.
Gotta get energized.
Next, our guide briefed us a bit on the hike. So basically, there are 127 volcanoes that are active in Indonesia, and we would be visiting one of those today. And from this coffee shop, we would next walk
along 3.5 kilometers from this parking to the top.
And then we decided to come up with a name for our group since the hike would be in the darkness. It would be easier to call ourselves by one name, and we decided to call ourselves
Casper. Okay, Casper.
Jasper! Hey!
All right, guys, take your time. Good luck and have fun.
And with that, we were off to officially begin our adventure.
Officially starting this hike. We are ready to go. So all these people here in front of us are sulfur workers. Their job is to get the sulfur from the volcano. They make about 80,000 rupees per basket, and they do about 3 to 5 of them per day. So that's about $15 to $20 per day. So we're doing this uphill hike for a bit now, so we gotta preserve our energy.
In 1.5 kilometers, so 2 kilometers more from here.
Rest time. All right, guys, we are at a rest stop, and now we're gonna head back up the hill. So we now are preparing to put our gas masks on. And we're putting on our neck, so if we're ever having trouble breathing, then we can just add it on right here.
I am very excited.
Less tired now.
LFG.
Let's fucking go.
Yeah, I'm very tired, but very excited at the same time.
Like this. Make sure that the smoke will not coming inside of you. They are collecting here first. After this, they will put it into the sack and they will bring it down with the trolley.
This is the part where it gets a little dangerous, guys. All of these rocks. One of the most interesting parts of this hike was learning about the sulfur and the workers who mine the sulfur from the active volcano. And we passed by a lot of this throughout the entire hike. So this man over here is selling sulfur souvenirs. Whoa! It's like an icicle, but it's like a sulfur. This is the more dangerous part.
Oh, that's a sulfur brick.
Down
Look
here.
at that. That's a real sulfur brick.
Making room, making space for the miners. Hello.
Souvenir, miss.
Hello.
Souvenir.
And the crazy thing is these workers spend over 12-hour shifts dodging the poisonous smoke from the active volcano while carrying up to 180 pounds of sulfur on their backs. Props to you guys for doing this, because that is not an easy job. So Andrew is now going to pick up this sulfur basket to see how heavy these guys are carrying them. Ooh.
Yeah, it's really heavy.
You can't do it? You can't put it on your shoulder?
Oh, put it on my shoulder? Oh, I don't know.
You got this. You got this. Yeah,
No way. I can't lift it like that.
Oh, wow.
On the shoulders? No.
No way, no chance. Guys, we found the blue volcano, the flames, the blue flames are over there. The center of the world. We found it. Over there is all the sulfur, as you can see. And that's where they mine for it. So we just made it to the blue flames. Yeah. You can see over there. Yeah. It's really cool. It's all of the smoke. And then when it moves, you can see all the flames. So cool.
So cool. It could kill all of us so fast.
Super cool. Definitely worth the hike, honestly. We're continuing on our journey. Over there is the most acidic lake in the world.
1 million likes. I do 300 laps, Olympic swimming pool size laps in the acidic lake.
You heard it from the man himself. Yeah, that looks so nice, huh?
I love this so much.
Yeah, this is so beautiful. All right, we're not even at the top yet, so let's go. We gotta keep going. Oh, guys, look at that. Oh my gosh. Thinking back to this moment, I was in complete awe and felt so fearless. And I think lately I've been living in a bit of fear. This view is literally unreal. You have to experience this for yourself.
This is insane. This is exactly why I came to Indonesia.
Our guide, he brought us here. So beautiful. Okay, everyone, we just made it to the top. It's about 5:43 a.m. Oh my god, the view is so beautiful. I'm about to get some drone shots right about now. But the feeling of having completed this journey and seeing one of the most beautiful and breathtaking sights in my life showed me how rewarding it can be to challenge yourself to do something new or spontaneous, big or small, and how approaching life with a fearless attitude can bring you to places you'd never imagine you'd be. So maybe that's something I need to keep in mind more in my day-to-day life, to continue to live fearlessly and rather than overthink things, just challenge myself to go for things. It really wasn't that scary, to be honest. I was afraid at first.
If you hadn't mentioned this, I would have never done this by myself, so thank you, Isabel.
Yay! Made it. Was it worth it?
It was worth it, definitely worth it. And we saw the blue flames. It was a nice journey, a nice adventure down to the portal to hell and back.
Go Casper!
Team Casper!
Woo! All right, it is time for the trek down. It's 6:51 a.m. now. The trek down is always easier, so hopefully it won't be too bad, because now we're just going downhill. We've decided instead to take the trolley.
Very excited for that.
Yeah, this will be a good one. And it's not just about doing the most epic adventures in life. What makes moments like these so memorable are the people that you get to share those moments with. The feeling of being spontaneous with your friends and just saying, YOLO, let's do this. The shared feelings of uncertainty, excitement, or the immense appreciation for the beautiful world that we live in. The shared feeling of relief when you accomplish the challenge of what you set out to do. And I think that's what made this specific experience so memorable. And actually, that's one of the larger lessons I learned while traveling. The best moments in life are the moments that you can share with others, as epic or as simple as they can be.
Okay guys, that is pretty much it. We are now gonna treat ourselves for some food and get some breakfast. It's about 8 a.m. now, running on 0 sleep, but that was honestly probably one of the top 5 life experiences so far. But yeah, I hope you liked this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't yet. Oh.